Hola mi gente bella, my name is Jeremy Serrano. I am a full-time creator and artist on the interwebs known as La Comunidad Jeremy, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along the journey of creating my own custom tissue paper. Now as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be working with NoIssue. However, this video is not sponsored and this tissue paper is gifted. I signed up to be one of their creators through their website and basically got approved, and with being approved I was sent an email saying that I can get my own pack of 250 count tissue paper custom to be made, designed with my design on it. And this is something I've wanted to do for a very long time. I just couldn't see myself spending the money on it just because I don't think I'm there yet with my business. So if you didn't know already, I'm a full-time artist and I own my own online business where I sell art prints, stickers, keychains, all kinds of art things with my designs on them. And for the most part, my packaging has been pretty simple and eco-friendly. However, like many of you, I've seen so many videos and images online of people with their own custom tissue paper and have also been filled with envy of having my own. This is the perfect opportunity to really test out if I want to order custom tissue paper in the future. I typically go for the more minimalistic, simple designs because my packaging is mainly focused on what's on the inside and my thank you stickers on it, as well as like my logo, so I don't always want like a crazy design as like the main packaging. However, in August, I'll be going into my second year of owning my business, and I really want to make sure that all of my stuff is like top tier, really good quality, and just overall looks really good and professional in appearance. So I really think that custom tissue paper would help me get that professional look that I'm going for, as well as have my customers a little bit more excited to receive this gift of a package that they're receiving. So today we'll be making this custom tissue paper together, and then what I'm gonna do is make like 2 or 3 designs, 2 or 3 color patterns, and then I'm gonna ask my Ko-fi members, my monthly supporters, to go ahead and vote on my hidden Instagram stories so that they can help me decide which one to go with, and then I will order it. And I'm gonna show you guys this whole process. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So to start out, NoIssue does a great job at telling you how to prepare your files, as well as all the products that they offer, especially for what you'll be ordering. So I went ahead and checked out their little detail before I started on my design. Once I read through all of the instructions, it was time to get started on the design. I had a couple of ideas, but I honestly did not know what direction I wanted to take it in. One of my favorite things to do on my Instagram page is make these little doodle pages, and basically it's just all these things that I come up with in regards to a theme, and then do these like very quick doodles. They're not super fancy or anything, and so I really wanted my NoIssue tissue paper to look somewhat similar to this design. And so I really wanted my tissue paper design to have somewhat of this concept to stick within the theme of my style. So as you can see, I am really into witchy vibes and spooky stuff, and I often refer to myself as #spookyho on my Instagram and YouTube videos, and it's because, I don't know, I grew up in New England and I love all things Halloween time. So I really wanted to go that direction with my tissue paper, and I came across this bug. I had no idea what it was called. Thankfully, one of my Instagram followers told me what it was, and essentially this was the concept that I was going for, like just very Halloween-y, witchy, insects, magical, all kinds of spell binding kind of stuff. And that was the direction that I decided to take, and this little guy was honestly the inspiration for that. So let me go ahead and show you how I sketched this one out, and we'll show you the rest of them in just a few minutes. And there you have it. This little inside guy came out so cute. I'll probably turn this into an illustration or something, but this honestly gave me the idea of just doing like these outlined little objects and then creating a whole collage of all these pieces together. Speaking of collages, you're going to need to make a collage slash pattern, and basically you're going to want it to repeat. This was a little bit difficult for me, so what I'm going to do is link a video for you down below so you can check it out and how you can make it as well. Once you're finished with your pattern, you're going to go ahead and upload that to NoIssue's website. I went for the 2 colors, standard size at 250 sheets, and then they're going to guide you on how to upload your design, and then you're going to get an email for you to approve your design, and then they're going to ship it off to you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see my design. Hola mi gente bella. So I literally just got back home, Memphis, Tennessee, from visiting my family in New England as well as Puerto Rico. I was gone for 2 months, and this video, the first half of it, was filmed 2 months ago back in June, and I literally just got back. It is September 1st currently, and I have been dying to open up this box. It's finally here. It arrived a few days after I had left, which sucked, and I've been wanting to open it since I left, but I didn't want to have my boyfriend open it because I wanted to film it. Now that I'm back home, we can go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I'm so excited also because it is literally spooky season and the holidays are around the corner, and all of my orders are gonna have this beautiful tissue paper. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So they sent me some of their complimentary bags that they use and stickers because they do all kinds of stuff, so definitely check them out. Ooh, this is so huge. Look how big this is. I can already see the design really well. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Wow, that is so cute. I honestly forgot what I had even like designed. I love it so much. Friends, I'm obsessed with this. Do you see this? Like, look at this quality. It is so beautiful, so nicely printed. I was honestly scared of how the black would look because the Pantone color that came out when I like changed and converted my photo for them for the file, it was a hard time doing all that. But when they sent me the email back, it wasn't like the darkest black, and I wanted like a darker black, but I was like, you know what? I think they know what they're doing. Let me just say yes. And it looks good. This is exactly what I wanted it to look like. I'm obsessed. I'm also so glad that I didn't go with the white. I'm really into just like black. I mean, like, look, I'm always wearing black. And I think also like one of my friends / followers told me the white with the black lines definitely looked more like a coloring book, and I think this just looks like a little more classy. Like, I'm so excited. Like, this is definitely stepping up my packaging game, and I cannot wait to package some orders. Like, literally, it is almost October. I'm doing my shop update for Halloween this month, so this is perfect. It couldn't have come at a better time. Also, because my work is leaning towards more the spooky side, even after Halloween, like, this is gonna be used forever. It's not as big as I thought it would be. I've seen other videos and it seems to always be larger, but honestly this is a typical tissue paper size, and what I do with mine is I cut them in half for like larger prints that are like 8 by 10 or something like that, and then for smaller orders I would typically cut this tissue paper in 4, and I would have enough to package 4 orders. So I'm so excited. This is so freaking beautiful. I also have like a ton of sheets. Like, there's 250. I typically cut them in half or by 4. I'm not good at math, but that's like 500 or more. And I'm so excited. So thank you so much to NoIssue for gifting me this tissue paper. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try out more of their products because this is high quality. They also sent it very fast. This company honestly does a lot of amazing products. So again, if you're interested in anything, check the link out down below. You can go directly to their website and find out more information. That is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram and I'll be sure to get back to you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching y hablamos ahorita. Ciao!